This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trey Decker. Desirable ranch in sought-after ocean lakes with over 2,000 square feet. This stunning 4-bedroom 2-bath home features an open floor plan with beautifully updated kitchen, designer cabinets, quartz countertops and new stainless steel appliances. Upgraded luxury vinyl plank flooring and high-efficiency tankless gas water heater recently installed in 2020. Large master suite with updated master bath and walk-in closet. This home is in pristine condition with many upgrades including a spacious room above the garage, French doors that lead to an inviting climate-controlled sunroom and covered deck that are perfect for entertaining. Exterior features excellent curb appeal, lush landscaping, rear with privacy fence and in-ground irrigation system supplied by well.